I'm ready. Yeah, it can be fixed. Maybe. So on the Spitfire, the motor mount, the motor bent in. This is the first time actually this has ever happened to me. This motor has gone through many different airplanes. Actually, it's gone through 2 airplanes. Sorry. So the motor bent right there and it won't move anymore. So, oh well. You can see what happened when the aircraft hit. This part bent in. So actually, the motor thing was sitting like this. That's pretty violent, huh? And it wasn't spinning at the time, at least I hope it wasn't, because I had cut the power trying to regain control. So much for flight test motors. Wow. If flight test is watching this and they want to see how their motor gets when there's a crash, this is how it goes.